I could get the extra most bestest with the most cheese and the most pepperoni for $6. Or I could get a pizza with less toppings for more money.
Get the most cheese and most pepperoni for the nation's best price. Little Caesars large $6 extra most bestest.
Pizza, pizza.
Primary Entry Point System has issued National Periodic Test. This is only a test. This alert is testing the capabilities of the EAS system. You will also get an alert on your cell phone if this alert is successful. Remember, this is only a test. No action is needed. If this was an actual emergency, information would follow after the attention tone. This concludes the National Periodic Test. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.